shaving.
You're doing a good job.
Thank
Not
you.
on the glasses, you.
Shaving your
You don't shave
glasses?
glasses, you. No. No shaving the glasses. No. No shaving the glasses. No. You can shave my nose. Can you shave my nose? Mm. Can you shave my nose now?
Okay.
No, I gotta shave. You gotta use the shit. Not sticking, not sticking fingers up my nose.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. No, not on the glasses, you. No, not on the glasses. Do my beard.
Silly Nathan.
Do my beard. Right.
I
Right.
don't know.
Right. Right. Not my glasses, you. You silly boy.
Puss.
Oh, very nice. Not the glasses, you.
Funny Nathan.
Do my mustache.
Smack you.
Do my mustache. Do my mustache. Not my glasses, you.
Let's be polite and ask